For over 135 years, National Geographic has gone to the ends of the earth to bring you the most stunning footage of nature ever put to film. But enough with the top of the food chain. It's time to shift our focus to the bottom. I've teamed up with Nat Geo to fast forward right past nature's glory hogs and get down in the mud with nature's benchwarmers. Not the superheroes, the super zeros. You tell them, Green Day. Wherever there's an itch in nature's undercarriage, there will be underdogs.